Well, I've said this sermon before, but I'll say it again, okay? Google Meet Mastery with Linux Mint is the bomb, okay? You can take your Linux workstation, hook it up with Google Meet, make sure your browser is up to date and all of those things, and you've got lighting. Sometimes you need to wear headphones if you've got an echo problem. And it's going to rock your world. It'll give you a great face-to-face environment without having to do a bunch of downloading stuff and having an app on your desktop. You just go to meet.google.com, log in with your Google ID, and bazinga, you're going. And the Google document that's got all the links is shared in the guyrcookreport.podbean.com. You can get the link there. Hey, to contact me, use the secure contact form on guyrcook.com. If you like this video, found it helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Subscribe to the channel for more valuable content on digital marketing and other things. And let us know in the comments below your own related experiences. It's a wrap.